Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SmartThings Energy Monitoring for Usage Insights, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate SmartThings Energy Monitoring, start by opening the SmartThings app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your SmartThings account. Tap on the Devices tab located at the bottom of the screen. Select the device you wish to monitor energy usage for. If you haven't added the device yet, use the plus icon to add your smart appliance. Once you have selected the device, scroll down to find the Energy Monitoring option. Tap on Energy Monitoring to access the settings. Here you will see an option to enable energy monitoring. Switch the toggle to turn on energy monitoring for the selected device. After enabling, you may see the instant energy usage displayed in watts. Next, navigate back to the main dashboard of the app. Select the Energy tab on the dashboard for a broader overview. In this section, you can see historical data of your energy usage. You can customize the time range to analyze trends over specific periods. For further insights, tap on individual devices to see their specific energy consumption. Should you wish to set energy-saving goals, look for the Set Goals option within the Energy tab. Input your desired energy consumption target and save your settings. You'll receive notifications regarding your energy usage and tips for saving. Regularly check the app to stay informed about your energy habits. By following these steps, you can effectively activate SmartThings Energy Monitoring for valuable usage insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.